Okay, so we have a chemistry question that says two elements are in the same group on the periodic table. Which property will be the same for both elements, meaning the two elements? When they say an element that's a pure substance that cannot be split into two or more simple substances. When they say a periodic table, it's a table containing elements arranged in the order of the atomic number, meaning from the smallest to the largest. Okay, now they're saying which property will be the same for both elements. Now remember that they're referring to elements that are found on the same group. Now remember that the groups on the periodic table, there are about 8. So now let us start. Now their boiling point, no. Now remember that the boiling point of a substance increases as the number of atoms or electron increases. Now as you can see, if they are found in the same group, for example sodium and potassium, they cannot have the same boiling point because of the difference in the proton number, and hence these two here, this one here, no. Now how about the number of shells? Number of shells, they are different. Why? For example, if I pick again sodium and potassium, those cannot have the same number of shells. Why? Because of the difference in the electronic number or the atomic number. Because the electronic number or the proton number determines the number of shells to be formed. So this one, no. How about their electronic structure? Electronic structure is based on the number of electrons, which is also pertaining or connected to the number of shells. So meaning that automatically, even this one, no. Now how about the charge on their ion? When you say the charge on their ion, in simple terms, we're talking about when an atom gains or loses an electron. That number which is being gained or lost represents the valency. The valency simply means now the ion. So the answer here, it is what? D. For example, sodium and potassium, they are found in group 1, meaning that their ion, once they lose, supposed to be what? Positive 1. So meaning that all those in group 1, they have a valence of 1. So the answer here, it is D.